Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we are with Swartz Restoration. We are here in New Knoxville, and we want to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or even your business, maybe it's a leaky faucet that affects the floors, maybe it's a water supply line on your dishwasher or your washing machine, it breaks and seeps down to the basement, maybe it's a sump pump that backs up, or maybe a storm rolls through the area and you've got all sorts of water damage in your home because of it. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our mission and our goal to help care for people as they're experiencing and going through these different types of disasters like water damage, fire damage, storm damage. It's always been our goal as a company to care through that whole process of carrying all the way to the finish end of getting them back to normal. So if you find yourself in one of these situations, feel free to call our office at 419-331-1024 or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.